This is our camera test for the Samsung Galaxy A23. Ayan, kita niyo naman hawak-hawak ko yung box niya. And we are shooting using a front-facing camera. It defaulted to 1080 30fps. Di ko na binago, nilagyan ko lang ng grid lines, tapos yun, go na. And as you can see, medyo iniba ko yung setup. Ginawa ko siyang medyo studio, no? Although we have natural lighting, I wanted to see the image quality and the performance in artificial lights. And we already did a comparison on our YouTube video channel sa youtube.com/techkuya of the different models of the 2022 lineup. So, kasama dun yung A13, A23, A33, A53, A73. If you missed it, check it out. I'll try to link it below sa description box. So ito yung parang lower mid-range na ni Samsung, which features a Snapdragon 680 5G chipset, 6 plus 128 gigs. Tama ba? Ayan. 6 plus 128 gigs yung kanyang storage and memory and storage configuration. And the good thing about the A23 is that it supposedly has an OIS camera. Yung rear camera, main camera, has optical image stabilization. So it would really help with those low light shots for both photos, and for videos naman, it will help reduce yung jitters. And with that being said, tabi muna natin si Galaxy A23. We'll go through some, what's this, padala from our partners, starting with Bridges. Oh, okay. Belated happy birthday from everyone at Bridges PR. Wow. Thank you so much, Bridges PR, for sending me this belated birthday gift. Okay. Try na natin siya. Ayan. Let's do a close-up muna. Ayan. Okay, parang hanggang dyan yung kanyang yung kanyang focusing distance, and the default camera automatically adjusted. The metering, it metered for the card. Nilapit ko siya, and when we remove it, ayan, lumiwanag yung background natin. Okay. See what this is. Ano to? Wala mo yun. Nag-unbox tayo ng birthday gift. Ooh, it's a perfume. Authentic Adventure for Men. Nice. Ano naman to? Ngayon ko lang nakita to. Fragrance John, ano to? John Arthur. Sorry, hindi ako familiar sa brand na to, but seems to be a imported. John Arthur Arthus, yan. Sorry guys. Sikat ba to? Let me know in the comment section. Di ako I'm not the type of person who is into perfume. Although pagka naalala ko, or pagka may very important meeting or events, and we have one within reach. Sorry, grabe tagal naman ng unboxing na to. Sirain na natin. Tatagal tayo. Gumagamit naman tayo ng perfume. You can appreciate good perfume. Ayan. So imagine niyo, beauty vlogger tayo ngayon. And we're doing perfume. Yeah. Kumusta ang ating artificial lighting? Siyempre, inamoy kahit hindi pa in-spray, no? Nakaka-fresh. Narinig sila sa background. I like it. Okay. So wala namang occasion ngayon, but hey, might as well wear some perfume since andyan din siya. So thank you so much, Bridges PR. Bridges. Bridges, thank you so much. Next. I think I know kung kanino galing to. Pero tingnan na lang natin. Hindi natin pangunahan. Ayaw natin magkamali. Lalo na nakalita na tayo. Single shot lang tayo. Although hindi tayo naka-live, we don't wanna do any editing para yung kung ano yung natural, yung actual na galing sa ating camera. Yun na yung mismo yung i-upload natin without any post-processing. Okay, mali ako. So this is from Maya. Siyempre. Yan. Okay. So this is about Father's Day. Happy Father's Day sa mga fathers dyan, kagaya ko. You guys are really, I know the struggles and the hardships of being a provider. So salute to all of you fathers out there. Sending you beer and snacks to celebrate your awesomeness. May spend your day with good food and quality time with your loved ones. Happy Father's Day from the Maya team. Thank you so much, Maya. Happy Father's Day to us. And are these supposed to be the dad food? May ganun ba? Dad food. Bicol Express potato chips. Okay. I've never seen Bicol Express flavored potato chips before. Excited to try it out. Salted egg, ayan. Salted egg, favorite natin yan. Salted egg potato chips. Potato and mashed potato. And may mga alcoholic drinks. Craft beer. As talking about craft beer with my colleagues the other day. So if you haven't tried craft beer, we have very good local breweries. Must try some of them. Kasi pagka umiinom ka ng beer, no, diba? Usually alam mo lang Red Horse, San Mig Light, ano pa. Tapos yun na, puro mga ano na, mga imported brands na. Pero actually, maraming local brewers, hindi lang ganun kasikat. And they produce really good beer. So, ito yung iba-ibang ano, no? The brand is Crazy Carabao. So we have Pilsen. Pilsen. Lager ba yung tawag niya? Kasi sa atin, Pilsen, di ba? Is Pilsen a Tagalog word? Or is it the Tagalog version of lager? I have no idea, guys. So feel free to correct me. I'm not a beer expert by any means. Tapos ito naman, wheat beer. It's the first time that I've encountered wheat beer. Okay, hindi naman tayo manginginom. So baka may mga manginginom na nanonood dyan. This is pale ale. Okay, so may pale Pilsen, meron na pale ale. Ganda nung kanyang packaging, very one of a kind, very unique. Crazy Carabao. And dun sa label niya, andun yung alcoholic volume. 5%. 5% alcoholic, 4.2% and 4.6. So ito yung pinaka-least alcoholic. Ano masasabi niyo sa video quality? Speaking from so far, watching the the screen, I would say that medyo impressive naman yung yung control niya sa white balance. Hindi nag-iiba-iba yung timpla ng kulay. Okay? That's important. Lalo na kapag meron kang meron kang pinapresent, pwedeng mag-iba yung kulay. And the thing about the A23, wala siyang Pro Video mode. So I checked it before I started shooting on to see kung may Pro Video mode siya. So, yon. And next is, mukhang sharp naman siya. Mukhang hindi naman ganun kalala yung kanyang grain. Although I can see, no, dito sa, ayan, dito banda, yan, where there's a darker area or darker section, darker part of the video, I can see noise. Very, very, very kitang-kita siya sa mata. Okay. Siyempre, alam mo, kitang-kita sa ilong. Anyway, nakapahaba yung video, yun lang. Watch out for the video review and the hands-on for the Samsung Galaxy A23. Siyempre, hindi ko mapakita kasi gamit natin siya ngayon. Alright. Bye.